So this is Grant Putnam at Mrs. Holden's house. So what you could do is we could acid wash the front of these steps, which hopefully will remove the lime. That's a lime stain on the front of the steps. You might not need to rebuild these, that's my point, because it would be quite costly to rebuild all these steps. Okay, and then this looks like it's in pretty good shape. Same thing, you could acid wash it to try to remove some of these white stains. Okay, it's successful about 70% of the time, so the only way you know is you just check. So this step is 4 feet wide. Right now it was like 3.6, 3.7 feet wide, the walkway. I would say we want to make the walkway 4 feet wide. So I think we should widen a little bit. It's only a little bit more square feet, a little bit more cost, but it will look better. All right. These stones, like I said, you could reuse some of them. Probably roughly 20%, not even 10% are cracked that you wouldn't be able to use. This is the shady area on the side of the portico we talked about. So maybe these are the pots that we talked about, pots on either side. I would say you could transplant 2 of these. 1, 2. And those are roughly, oh, they got leaf miner, but you could fix that. They're roughly 3 feet tall, 34 inches wide. The other ones I would just junk. So 2 of those you could save. This tree comes out, remember, grind the stump from the tree company. Okay. There's the gutters. There's a gutter there. There's one drain there. One drain here. There's 2 spirea in here that we can transplant, and 2 azaleas that we can transplant. Okay, not enough sunlight, that's why they're not doing well in there. That's the shady area under the tree that we talked about. Oh, the steps. In the front here, what you could do is, that's the tricky part on this. Oh boy. So a lot of times what you do is you end up building like a stone veneer. Problem is you only have 1 inch of space between the edge of the stone. Between the edge of that stone and the concrete, there's only